Hey guys, this is Hunter at Vapor Honing Technologies. Today we have some cylinder heads that Ryan has blasted for us. We have three different types of abrasive here. So we have ceramic bead, aluminum oxide in the middle, and then glass bead over here. As you can see, it provides three different finishes on these parts. Ceramic is going to be more of like a satin finish. And so if you're looking for a little bit toned back of a finish from a glass bead, ceramic's definitely going to be the best option for you. Aluminum oxide, you can see it provides kind of a matte finish. It's used for removing paint, corrosion, masking tooling marks. Anything of that nature is really what aluminum oxide is used for in this process, but finish-wise, it's going to give you a matte finish. If you're looking for a matte finish, aluminum oxide is going to be what you want to go with. If you're looking for more of an OEM and polish, you're going to be looking at a glass bead. So this is going to give you the highest polish possible on parts. Glass bead is super good to use if you're just looking for like a general clean and polish. That's a little bit about each abrasive and how it affects finish-wise. Give me a call if you have any questions, 828-220-5012.